Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all would be fine. Today I have brought some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas for you. Look at these. All ideas are new and unique. I always try to bring some new and innovative ideas for you. You can take the screenshot of the picture or you can save the video as well. Let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. If you are enjoying the video, then please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel. And also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.